iOS 18 has ramped up the home screen customization game like never before. One of my favorite features is the ability to add a tint to the iPhone home screen icons for a more fascinating appearance. The tint feature provides a pretty nice way to customize your device appearance by changing the color of all the icons at once. Notably, tinting affects every icon on your app pages, home screen, and app library for a unified look across your entire interface. That's it. Let's get started. So first up, you have to long press on a space on your iPhone home screen. And after that, you have to tap on the edit button in the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to choose the customize option in the menu. And then you have to select the tinted option. And then you can use the sliders to perfectly change the tint of your iPhone home screen icons. Note that you can also use the eyedropper icon to select a hue from a region of your wallpaper. And once you have perfectly customized your iPhone home screen, tap anywhere outside of the customized panel to finish. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily add a tint to your iPhone home screen icons in iOS 18 or later. Now that we have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to give your iPhone home screen a unique look, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.